Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Bird Hugs by Ged Adamson. Ooh, I remember this one from another book. Bernard wasn't like other birds. Blab, bleeve, blurb. When he was a baby, he didn't know that he was different. Look, Orla, I'm a bat. Life was simple and fun. Woo! Then Bernard's friends began to fly. No matter how many times he tried, it was something he couldn't seem to do himself. One by one, other birds left in search of new places. I'll learn how to fly soon, won't I? Said Bernard. Of course you will, said Orla. The next day, she was gone too. Bernard was all alone. Maybe he just needed some help, a little help. That's right, Lawrence, said Bernard. Keep pecking that rope. Snap, twang. I'm flying! But he wasn't. Grown. Embarrassed by his useless wings, he tried to make them smaller. Then he worried it might be better to pretend they were something else. A scarf, for instance? A nice big bow? It was hopeless. Bernard felt utterly sorry for himself. He found a lonely branch and made it his home. Days turned into nights. Seasons changed. Different creatures came and went. Bernard barely noticed them. Then one evening he heard a sound. Sob. It was coming from someone even more dejected than Bernard. I feel very sad. I'm not sure why, wailed the orangutan. Bernard jumped and with his long wings he gave the orangutan a big hug. The orangutan stopped crying. After a while, he stood up and stretched. That made me feel a whole lot better, he said. Thank you, kind bird. Back at his branch, Bernard thought maybe his wings are good for something after all. For the first time in a long while, he slept soundly and woke refreshed, which was just as well. We want hugs! Bernard hugged a bird and a rabbit and a whole group of birds. He hugged a very ticklish crocodile, a very slippery frog. Even a worm wanted a hug, which you'll agree was pretty brave of the worm. Now every morning without fail there was a line, and animals told Bernard their problems. It can be lonely at the top of the food chain. It's hard to be the youngest, and he listened. Sleeping during the day makes me feel like I'm missing all the fun. Bernard didn't feel sorry for himself anymore, and all the hugging he made was his wings feel strong, maybe even strong enough for flying. This is whoa! Crash! There's more than life than flying, I suppose, said Bernard. Play with us, Bernard. Hello, Bernard. Hey, Bernard, my mom, my man. Yo, Bernard. Much more. Oh, hi, Bernard. Play with us. Oh, wait, much more. Bernard discovered that helping had given him something he hadn't expected with new friends. And friends can help you do anything. Whee! So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!